going to look at the polygon tool. So up here, sketch, let's choose our plane. Let's go for the front plane, click on N for normal 2, and then P to hide our planes on our keyboard. That gives us our nice section here. We have got the polygon tool, so we've got inscribed and circumscribed. Now the inscribed polygon, if I click on it and I click here and go out, you can see there is a circle on the inside, and we can make it however large, however small we want just by dragging our mouse. I click again and it gives us the option to choose how many faces we want. So we could have an octagon, we could have, say, a pentagon, or we could have a triangle or square, or we could have loads and loads and loads of faces if you so wish. So let's go for an octagon like so, and then it auto dimensions it. So let's type in 90, and we have got a diameter of this internal circle, this dotted construction line of 90 millimeters. So that's our diameter there. Now I can press escape and I can move this around in its entirety. So I can move it up and down. I can rotate this if I wanted to. It's not going to let me right now, but if I wanted to, I could rotate that. So let's make sure that this point here and this point here are, let's go for perpendicular. Let's not go for perpendicular. That is silly. I meant let's go for vertical. So if I click on the V and click here and here, they're going to be perfectly vertical like so. We can now move up and down, so we can give ourselves a dimension like so. Let's go for 60, and then we have that. Now I can rotate it because it's constrained, so you can see I can move this around. So perhaps we want this line here and this line here to also be vertical, and that's rotated it so they are straight up. And now it is fully constrained. We have our octagon as we so wish. There is also, as I just mentioned, the circumscribed. So as you can guess, that is the circle on the exterior of the shape. So let's go for a triangle this time. You can see our circle is there. It is going to give the diameter of this circle. Okay, so if I type in 70 this time, you can see that it's gone across here. So we're not actually dimensioning one of these faces. We're dimensioning the diameter from this point to this point to this point. So it's basically going across. If we wanted to change how many faces, we could double click on here and we could type in 5. Pentagon could want to go for that. It's up to you completely what you are doing. It's all blue at the moment, so this time let's move this and make it horizontal. So I can auto drag it to my origin, let go. That's made that horizontal, so I can drag this across side to side. And now we need to make sure that it is at the right position. So we could do a couple of different things. Let's say that we want this line here to be vertical. So I click on that, press V, turns that vertical. And then the final thing is this can move side to side. We can't rotate it, so we want to maybe go for a dimension. Let's go from the center to, say, the center of this one, which is also the origin, and let's make it, I don't know, 30, bring it very close. Actually, that's a bit too messy. Let's go for 60, and then we have everything constrained like so.